everyone, and welcome to this week's market update from STP Trading. On the gold chart, considering the double combination pattern, it is expected that the second pattern in this range has come to an end. With very little probability through a correction forming in this area, we might see the completion of the corrective pattern here. After the correction ends, an upward trend could begin on the chart, initially moving toward the previous high. We then expect the price to break that previous high and continue the uptrend toward the resistance levels. The 138% level and also the 61.8% level could be suitable zones for the completion of the current bullish pattern. We might then trigger a time-consuming corrective phase on the chart. If the price breaks through this area, the uptrend could extend toward the next resistance levels. In this section of the chart, the price falls through the support zone and stabilizes below it. We might see the continuation of the correction down to the next support. Breaking this support area would make the corrective scenario the likely case on the chart. On the Euro-USD chart, following the bullish trend and its reaction to the resistance zones, we saw the start of a correction that extended to the support levels. In this area, we expect the correction and downtrend to eventually complete after some pullback and consolidation, leading to the beginning of another bullish move on the chart. If the price breaks through the 78% level, the corrective trend could extend toward the next support area, which would act as the deciding factor for whether the chart continues bullish or shift to a bearish scenario. On the Bitcoin chart, given the recent bullish trend, we expect the price to hold above the current support zone, and as long as it fluctuates above this level, the potential for a trend reversal and also continuation of the bullish move remains the likely scenario. A confirmed break above the resistance zone would further increase the chance of a bullish trend, possibly pushing past the previous high. However, if the price drops below this defined support, the correction could extend to the next support zone, which would then determine whether the market remains corrective or resume bullish movement. Next, we are analyzing Dow Jones. On the Dow Jones chart, we had a bullish trend that, after completing its corrective phase in this area, could continue upward, as shown here in the chart. There is a strong possibility that the corrective phase here could be a double correction pattern, which may conclude after interacting with this support area and also the trend line support, paving the way for another bullish move. But a break of the trend line support and the marked support zone could be the signal of a failed uptrend and the start of a bearish trend. A break below the highlighted blue zone would add selling pressure, possibly driving the price down toward the previous low or even back to the origin of the bullish move. We hope you find this analysis helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Until the next time.